Because you're making a lot of things, you have to verify these documents. You can't just What if people who lost their ID? No, you are like access from Home Affairs. Why are you not taking these IDs to Home Affairs? Why was I put my ID? Lo pasa Home Affairs umngeni road le ndoda le isola ukuthi wonke lama-ID awasebenzisa abantu bashadiswa khona la ekhaya abantu besifazane wonke lama-ID atholakala kule nsizwa so nje Eba kuphi fingerprint ka?
Ngoba nansi ade kufuneka ibe lapha fingerprint according to thina.
Yangisayikhumbula ngifuna uqoqa
And la kufuneka ibe 18 something which is correct. La bayakwazi ukuthola le green but le it's not right.
Ngena nama documents ngina. Maphathisi.
So las bateteleke
Ababuya lwasilwisa lomphathwana nami. Lwasilwisa lo baba.
Ile yonto babesifundisile abantu bokuhamba banika umhla ka-30 dates eyodwa lena sesiyenza manje
lapha ebekade ngizwe khona kwathiwa sonke.
Yonini engibizile.
Iwe sibengala kwathiwa sonke. So uma ngabe sesiphuma ke lapha sekuthiwa sonke uyasikhomba uthi napha sesibuza ukuthi thina sikhomba ukuthi senzeni. Wakushukelwa
Ngikwazi thina besophiketha. Masikhetha nase niyabiza. Wanehambela. So umuntu yena kufanele akhulume naye lona. And then yini ke nisolina?
utholakale lapha yana ama-idea
Ile nto ezizama ukuyithola ngoba bathi bona ngithi bona bebezela
babizuba ngaphandle ezinye home affairs la
No, but as the analysis, why do we have someone telling them ideas about the
Yes. Ina leyo nto. Sayilena le. Salokho sela ndaba.
Because we don't know what these things are used for. Let's accept that they forget. You should have given them your option. And I don't think we're ready. I think we just should.
Hence I've said we have to take these things in a procedural way because as I was asking who is this person? This person is here as a job is
But it doesn't matter whether the person, you can't keep documents.
we firstly identify into ikubayo. Because I'm a responsible person for this office. I've got accountability and responsibility. That's why I'm MC. I had to come out and issue about 160 waiting for me to be interviewed. So I respected the position I have to go out. He's accountable and responsible. Hence I'm here. Everybody here should know who I am.
Then we respect.
Yes, and I'm Mr. Makakula Ngombo, responsible for this office. In the accountability and responsibility, anything happens, you're in charge. Hence, I'm saying this gentleman bad. If this gentleman works for Home Affairs, but my cousin would take Uber. Yes.
So about lapho ngizovela lapho ngisane inganyana encanda ngizovela.
So then that's the issue. Then there's the issue of distance. And he's not khona nomunye Khumalo lawo phethe.
Get that Kumalo guy.
Ukhumalo umfazi wakhe nendoda yakhe.
I don't think that's
You clarify issues. You have because men I'm here to say abantu laba bafowethu ba-infringe amalungelo alabafowethu abangaphakathi nalabo esibasiza. Ingakho ngibuza ukuthi ubani?
Bengangeneki bengangeneki abevalile. Mase kungena kwathiwa uzani ngani? No, man. Okay. Uzaqala umpendulo bakakhona.
Angithi bafowethu uma siphikitha khona umuntu osilidayo. Yes. Umfowethu njengoba la uyayazi responsibility. Ngiyayazi ya. Nomfowethu uyayazi. Wonke umuntu in this world uba nomsebenzi awenzayo. Njengoba ngibuza ukuthi ubani. Ingoba sifuna ukwazi ukuthi njengoba ethi bangena bazokwenza balitholile lilungelo ngoba mina emangifika ngithola into ethi HPA wami umphathi kuthiwa kufuneka wena. I had to leave abantu engiba-interviewa ngeza la. Umbuzo wami ngibuze wena ngibuzanga bonke abantu. Okay. So then for now, okay, we know the gentleman umsebenzi wakhe and uyasho phambi kwethu uthi laba bantu bashile izinto zabo
as you've said, procedurally speaking, you have to take these things as they say, where like for instance, your SAPS, your health, whoever, or taller land, even photocopies. Uma ngabe kukhona document esele because mawubheka la this person le ukhuzwayo uNonduduzo she's a South African mawubheka bonke laba bantu laba automatically ngokusebenza kwethu lo muntu lo
Nangikhumalo la. Khumalo.
phela manini guys I'm saying it guys what this gentleman have to do okay Zuma what has to happen in this case because where I sit angazi afike kanjani ke this gentleman have to calculate all this no akuzoba nzima phela ngoba
awuzokwazi
no sesikhuluma mina angisho mina lapho uzofika amanye mhlawumbe aseboxing alethwa ma different stakeholders be it
can I ask for a favor Makako? Can I ask for the police to take a statement from this man for him to explain when did he receive them and why did he keep them?
That's a SAPS.
It's impossible and I want to put it to him and himself. There's no way these things arrived today. And because
which
of
I cannot answer.
Yeah, and because of the corruption that we've, and it's not you, the report is there. And you guys are trying your level best to fight this thing. And we want to work with you. And for us to be able to deal with this thing, there must be an investigation. He must write and explain why when he received these things, he doesn't take them to your people.
Of which again, that's a role like SAPS.
So we must ask them to
where I
come
sit,
and process.
and SAPS is coming, where I sit,
They must take him and deal with him.
No, I'm sure this guy is owning a shop. I'm saying, Mina, where I
The
sit.
reasons we have, the problems we have are because of people who own shops around Home Affairs and start selling things.
No,
let's just follow the law. He's our South African.
No, let's talk about
He's
this
gonna
now.
be processed
Because
like everyone.
I don't want mina zomdila nento engizwayo. Ngidila nento engibonayo and the evidence. Now we've got an evidence of these documents under his custody. I'm saying now, of which abantu afanele bangene manje in this space it's SAPS in terms of these documents afike kanjani kuyena what job is doing then bese belandela i-criminal procedure act
100%
ukuthi afike kanjani because no ayingeni sisi kwezinye zezinto ingena kwi-space
there's another one babamagago lephethe usiswa kaZuma la i-passport I don't know ukuthi if the passport
No.
njani
kunale passport
yaku
Yeah, passport.
erepere whatever ngangikwazi
okay eyakuliphizwa
angifuna nokulazisa mina into engiworried
maneni phela angithi sithi-ke angithi le document i-document yezo sibheke sesibheka ukuthi-ke inayo yini i-permit nansi i-permit yakhona ithi study visa isection
umuntu sesikoleni njengamanje
asimana awumi lapho uya kwi-expiry date ukuthi ithi visa expired on the 31st of the 12th month 2022 of which this document lo muntu mawufica lo muntu lo enale document we-Immigration Act this person illegal in the country but this document akuyona yethu South Africa eyangaphandle no ngisachaza ngedocument
I'm not interested with document.
so I'm saying now so in this particular case I'm saying this document for me njengoba ila expired uyabo kodwa lo muntu masimthola lo ngokwe-Immigration Act fanele sim-arrest if it's happened lo muntu ukuthi ukhona la I have to send my guys to arrest him ngokwe-Immigration Act no that's why ngithi I'm interpreting what I see here
I agree
yes because ukuthi sithole kubani SAPS we've agreed in principle
left it now.
hence I'm interpreting this document angithi la interpreted we are clear with
now
it
siyavumelana
yes ukuthi sithole kubani it's a criminal procedure act which deals with SAPS we've agreed on that so mina sengi-interpret the document that has been presented to me are you happy with interpretation okay. What else
Okay, no, mina ngicela ukucacisa nje la khona sizohamba sikliyela. Ukuthi bamagadiguli abantu bethu ufuna ba-understand nabo guys ukuthi ngoba besilaba esizophiketha ne ukuthatha ama-documents abantu is not part of i-responsibility yethu angikucacise lokho ngoba ngifuna kuthiwa sihambe siphuthe into wrong niyangizwa lapha emuva hello Hello. Guys. Cela silalelane bandla. Ukuhamba sifuna ama documents abantu akuyona responsibility yethu, right? But ngoba sika Home Affairs, Home Affairs ibona kufanele ba check lama documents. So if nine concern ne document yomuntu, ukuthola umuntu ngaphakathi niyomlanda a check lama documents.
No mina sis hayi
Oh, okay.
Essential.
No. Sorry. Essential ukuthi ngeke bamagagula kuwo wonke amahamba phezulu kwakhona wena. Ngizama ukubafundisa i-procedure going forward engagcini kuwena that is ongoing, right? Ukuthi maye ngekho amaphoyisa ngithi amaphoyisa swabizile thina abengakafiki thina sibiza amaphoyisa by the way ngoba besingafuni ukuthi masiza la kube khona into wrong esiyenzayo amaphoyisa unfortunately singacengisa ne conversation ukuthi wona sathe isikhathi eside ukufika la, right? Because into bese raise ibihambisana nalento eshoyo ye case le yalo bhuti lo bese kuyena. So ngoba siza la sihamba with a backing yokuthi sicela amaphoyisa abela, right? Lokho sekwenzeka ke sekuyenzeka but ngine understanding ukuthi bona bakhona la esizozama ukumthola ngakhona obiza abantu ukuthi bashone ngale. I don't think khona umuntu obene intention ongena phakathi ethu yabona nango besesho yabona. So ilento ezizama ukuyi understandisana ukuthi isizathu sokulwa yabo because yeah so thina ngokwethu abantu bethu bazophiketha la but mabebona into wrong ngeke bathuke yabo mebethi bayambona futhi umuntu ingakho bebe ne responsibility yokubiza umuntu phakathi ka Home Affairs but sengenzela ukuthi ongoing ngoba thina sama citizens ase South Africa sonke sifuna the same thing and into eseyilwayo ukuthi Mr Makakulu noma ungalirana le office you don't run every single person olangaphathi nama intentions akho abhedayo uyabona into ngishoyo so as citizens it's our responsibility usebenza nawe sisho ukuthi na into wrong isibonile ayikho into wrong ngalokho yabo so angifuni kube khona la engathi thina nawe siyaxabana akukho la uyabona into ngishoyo ama citizens bezele ipicket la unfortunately ayibona lezi zinto wrong ayibonile azama ukubiza umuntu phakathi ka Home Affairs yabo that is where the altercation came in engicabanga ukuthi that is why we find ourselves
that's why we're clearing
that's why siklerisha ukuthi akekho phakathi kwethu wrong yabona into ngishoyo and now I think you agree with that.
No, I agree with you. That's why ngithe. That's why I said okay.
Kada bamakho sesicheckela ngoba at least bakhona bana bafowethu.
Okay, firstly Bugala. This is a non-South African citizen.
Yes.
Isho ukuthini lento isho ukuthi lo muntu lo ufike mhlambe wabayi asylum seeker wathola ilentuza wathola that
mina ngicela ngenze
permission mana angithi phela fanele siqale sifike kanjani la angithi document in question ile ayiqali la
ukuthi ngichaza into engiyaziyo.
Okay, but abazi la.
No,
okay.
What I'm asking is, can you go and verify this and give us an answer?
Okay.
Because that's one thing we were there for.
All right. Okay.
We don't want the process, you know.
Verify in two ways.
Can you go and
no, finally tell the owner of this.
Now.
Okay. No. We are doing something called advocacy. It's an advocacy session because we are living in a regulated space. As we are living in a regulated space, everything is regulated. And hence, I'm saying, as this document issued as it is, so I have to get some barozo tata muntu. I must say counter 15. I am checker online verification. Of which mangatolo munyo la osebenza la department mhlambe noma i-security also
okay baba Makakulu
ngicela enze i-online verification ayiprint as ayilethe
nangumnikazi
baba Makakulu mhlambe la inkinga la ngicela ukulokhulu
ibhale u-2025 January next year asaphuma yini ama-green ID because ngokuzwa kwethu ama-South Africans umuza la e-Home Affairs awuyitholi green ID uthola i-smart card. How come this person athole le green ID last year ibekade yavalwa i-green ID ekwi-Home Affairs i-concern yami la?
Well, are you going to pay me?
No. You said you understand.
No, but no, don't do that. Don't
Okay. No, it's fine, man. No.
Don't do that.
Okay, I can do it.
You
I
can do it to
no,
someone else, but don't do
no. So I'm saying,
We are here to
all right.
fix the
Okay,
problem.
can I
So
respond?
don't try. You know, one of the problems we have in the country is because of trying to gaslight citizens like this. You're not going to do it. You're going to fix the problem and
Let us clarify
no,
again.
accept one thing.
No, I
You're not
accept
going-
it.
You're not going to do that to
No,
me.
it's fine. I understand.
Not gonna
My
do that.
apologies for that.
Please.
My
I'm not
apologies.
your child.
If no,
You must learn to respect.
I do respect you. That's why I said to you, can you? If not, I'm saying, Cousin Lucis.
It's your responsibility.
Okay,
to
no, I will
pay for
do.
it.
No, I will
Pay
do
for
it.
So do it.
No, I will do it. Definitely sure. As I've said, I'm accountable and responsible for this department and for this office.
And let's go
Okay.
far,
No,
so
I
that
do
you
respect you, Zuma.
fine.
Hence, I've said we are living in a regulated space. I apologize on top of that.
Accepted?
Okay, thank you. Sisi, umuntu oyi-non-South African osethola i-green ID book usuke kade engenayo u-13 digits number. Ukuze kwenze u-13 digits number kufanele alethe i-PR certificate. Okay, so lapha ukuthi ngoba khona into engathi 2118 kufanele athole u-13 digit number through the permanent resident certificate. Awukwazi ukuyenza kule systemate. Kufanele uyenze ibe manual qala. Ibe u-green ID book. Usengathi ke ngoba umthetho usebeyakwazi uku-applyela ama-smart card. Usengaya kwi-smart card. Kodwa indlela yonke nje njengoba uthe ithole nini? Last year. Yes. Okwamanje lo muntu lo usekwi-green ID book ngoba awukwazi ukusuka from i-PR certificate uzongena kwi-green ID book. So fanele kube ukuthi usubmit le certificate bese uthola i-green ID book. Sekuzothi ke as time goes by ngoba usunawo 13 digit okhona kwi-National Population Register. Usuyangena ke manje ke usuwenza i-smart card njengoba uhulumeni sekukhona amazwe awavumela ukuthi angaba ne-smart card.
Cha, Mango bese yo.
Wait. That's an HR process. I'm
And then enye bese zoyicela
siyabonga bandla.
Okay.
ilapho esenkantolo lo namhlanje so besicela
Simcheck up ngani.
so we just want to know as the public that this person that has stabbed someone for 40 times is here in the country legally. So in Amapoisa, they do have good doctors system. So we just want to know at some point when the time is right. We're not saying do it today.
Okay, do it
We're
now.
just saying the public would like to know.
Okay,
Someone-
sicela mhlambe for us to verify. Do you have anything yakhe enayo njengamanje?
It's fine. You can ask the IO to send you a message.
No. Bafokuse umqoshele ngapha.
I'll talk to your mango.
Phela mina guys when I team mina ngisebenza ngeprocedure. Angithi kusuka kwangena igama lakhe. Angifuni mina mangena igama lomuntu. Abenge ngize ngisho ukuthi bengenzela ukuthi ngicacise ukuthi ufaka uduzile kumina e-area. Ngachaza ukuthi bafaka ude address abantu uze ukuthi bazokwenzani.
Mhlawumbe nayo benza lokho
So uma ngabe kufaka ude seyile kubona ufikile uyile ufaka ude wathi no engathi bafuna ukungena ngekane kuza mina. Kwase kufika uPA wami ezochaza ukuthi bamagagulu bafuna wena. Ngaphuma ke ngabafica kwiphase ngase ngicela ke mina ngicelela abafowethu laba abahlezi ngaphakathi ama-citizen ukuthi ngicela sihloniphe ilungelo labo. Labo bangaphakathi.
As umuntu obelapha bethi angiloyo ngifuna ukuphazamisa. I was knocking on the door.
Ngizocela ukuthi ngiphe information yalo muntu. I'm sorry but so that sizokwazi ukuthi before you leave this place sibe sesimcheckile in terms of verification ukuthi who is this person.
We'll appreciate that.
I was knocking on the door.
If ukuthi mhlawumbe kwenzeki manje I'm here in the boardroom till 7 in the evening.
It's fine. We'll take that.
Baba, seqedile. All right. Lapha sifike sathola these documents. And then there was umama lo okuthi ungene waya phezulu. Masibuza lo baba lapha ethombeni lo ukuthi what is this woman doing upstairs? And then she just went past. And then we asked, so you allow anyone? Then we went with these people nama documents. to say let's go to immigration because we are here and there's immigration office here. So let's go to immigration and verify this because already there's a lot about you. Then Masiza office, we know, and people were standing as they're still standing there. There were people that were there from the time we got here and they locked the doors without explaining anything. So now we knocked here until forever. Wavelu Fagud, they said, Fagud, can you please open for us so that Nizos explaining, Nizos checking at these documents.
Yes, angithi mina ngithumile verification. So le verification asicheke ukuthi lokho la iyahambelana ne document elethwe mina wena so. Check it. ID number is the same. Le document iyenye yama document eyenza lo muntu azagcina afike la. Into engekho la i-permanent resident certificate. Kodwa le document iyinzalo yale. Uma ngabe usuka ngaphandle uyi-refugee in the country, ile document oyitholayo ekugunyaza ukuthi ube la eSouth Africa ngoba ubhacile. Uma ngabe usubhacileke umthetho ke uthi ke uyakwazi ukuhlala ugraduate ke to different levels up until uzufike la. Uma ngabe usufuna ukuyi-verify lento in terms of investigation ukucheck ukuthi ke uyahambelana konke lo. Ukuchecka ke ngokuthi ke ucheck le document, ucheck i-PR document bese uchecka le. So le okay le uma ngabe ukuthi umama kule sekufanele siyi-check-e e-refugee noma siyi-check-e lentuza e-call center which kuzodinga ukuthi ngiyishuthe ngiyithumele siyi-verify ukuthi njengoba ibhalwe la kanje angithi yabona nje manje nansi information yakhona ithi yakhishwa nini sekufanele si-check-e-ke noma ukuthi njengoba leli khombisa ukuthi expired fanele si-check ukuthi ukuthi expired fanele si-check ukuthi-ke manje-ke what other documents anayo umama unayo yini i-permanent residence after this. Yes, refugee. Qala la usuke